Okay, well, welcome. This is Dr. Sean over at Fortis, and this is the OAHP 106 dot whatever it is you're taking. I'm going to be your guide over the next 6 weeks for this anatomy and physiology class. I've taught for over 15 years, and I really like this class. The things have changed over time in this class, specifically for Fortis, so the online content does change. So sometimes you hear things like I talk about drawings, I talk about a midterm and a final, which we don't have for those. So it's easy for you to exceed and excel at this class. So main things we want to focus on here is content and connection in our discussion boards. So our discussions will have usually a dialogue back and forth so that you and I and all of us can communicate. So there is other places called the cafe, which I don't use very much, so don't worry too much about that one. Unless you have a question, you can always contact me on the email. The best way to do it is through Canvas. Now, if you have it like me, I have it on my phone as well, so I do get some notifications there. And I just want you to have kind of fun with it. There's some pretty easy stuff. It does take some time. You are going to have to do a little bit of reading. With the discussions, make sure that those are bigger than just things like I agree or I think it's great or something like that. Expand on the conversation, which we always want to talk about. I will be sending out at least one, maybe 3 emails a week and announcements. So make sure you pay attention to the announcements because I give hints and I tell you what's coming up. We talk about tutoring and all this kind of stuff. I do at least 1 or 2, sometimes 3 videos like this one every single week. Right now I'm at like what, all less than 2 minutes. I try to keep them under 5 minutes because we want to make it easy for you. I used to have videos that were like an hour long, which was a full lecture, but we don't need that right now, do we? If we do, you let me know and I will make a specific video just for you, which will tell us how to get through whatever part of the class we're getting through, whether it's homeostasis, levels of organization, the system of the kidney, the heart, the skull, the brains, whatever it is, reproductive or anything like that. Remember, there are 11 systems in the body, and we're going to work on each one of those throughout the class. Again, if there's any questions, contact me in the what's it called? The cafe, or contact me actually by email is the best, or in the announcements, you read the announcement and then contact me directly. So hope you guys enjoy the class. Have fun with it. Contact me if you're having any issues or troubles. There's always issues with the book in the first week, so don't freak out about that too much. Access to some of the other stuff does kind of get choppy in the first week, and pay attention to those due dates because those are what matter. I'll be contacting you in multiple ways as much as I can throughout the term. So I hope you guys have a good time. Enjoy the class. This is Dr. Sean. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which I think this should be on that channel. And that way you'll make sure and get all the updates if you hit the little bell and whatnot. If you check down in this section here, you can see actually the subscription area, I think right down there. And then over on this side over here will be a next or other video that hopefully is appropriate for this class. Anyway, this is Dr. Sean. Talk to you guys soon. We'll see you on the flip side.